So here is the Bigcommerce Dropshipping Setup tutorial. Bigcommerce is a SaaS platform that helps businesses create and manage their online stores. It's used by retailers of all sizes, including small and medium-sized businesses and enterprises. So first of all, let's go to bigcommerce.com, and on the top, you will get to see all of these options. For now, let's check out their pricing. Here, click on Request Pricing. After that, on the next page, you will need to fill up all of this information in order to contact sales. So go ahead and put in all of this information, and then their sales team will contact you regarding their pricing. So just go ahead and click on Contact Sales. Now, let's go back to the previous page. Here on the top right corner, click on Login, and you will be redirected to this page. If you already have an account, you can log in or click on Sign Up in order to create your Bigcommerce account. So after you click on Sign Up, you will need to fill in all of this information on this page. Start with your first and last name and phone number. Make sure to add your country code on your phone number. After that, put in your email address. Then, type in a password for your Bigcommerce store. While putting in your password, make sure you meet all the conditions listed below. And as you type in your password, you will see each of the requirements turning green. So make sure all of the requirements are green. Once you're done with this part, go ahead and put in your store name. And as you can see, it says you can change it at any time. For now, I will type in something random. Then, what size is your online business? So choose from the options listed here. Then choose where should your store be hosted. So click on it and choose one from the options. After that, click on this I'm not a robot section and click on Create Your Store. And as you can see, it says your store will be ready in 1 minute. Now, on the next page, you need to set the answers to these questions. Do you have an existing website? Then, choose what will you be selling. Go through the list and choose your desired one. After that, choose what best describes how you currently sell your products. And once you're done, click on Proceed to Store. And as you can see, we're now in the Bigcommerce dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you will see all of this information on the home page. And if you look over on the left panel, you will get to see these tools and sections. On the home page, on this Start Accepting Orders section, you can add products, get set to ship, accept cash on delivery, and set up your tax rates. So you can go through these steps to get started. After that, scrolling down, you will get to see your store performance and store statistics all on this page. And right below, you have your order status. So let's scroll up to the top. On the top right corner, you have this option to select a plan. Click on it, and you will get to see all of their available plans: Standard, Plus, Pro, and Enterprise. So let's go back to the previous page. Click on Orders on the left panel. And once you're here, you will get to see all of your orders on this page. You can also filter through your orders using all of these metrics. And if you click on Add on the left panel, you will be able to add orders over here. Just fill in all the information, starting with your customer information, then fill up your billing information, and make sure all of it is accurate. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on Export. So on this page, you will be able to export your orders. You can select an export template or create a new one. And if you click on it, you will be able to see all of these templates. So let's click on Create an Export Template. Over here, you need to type in the template details. So go through all of this information and set it up according to your preference. You can also set the field formatting options, then product export options. Then you have advanced CSV export settings. So make sure everything is set according to your preference. Once done, you can save and add another or save and exit. For now, we will just cancel it. Now, let's go back to the home page. After that, if you click on Products over here, you will be able to view all of your products on this page. And if you want to add new products, click on Add New on the top right corner. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. On this section, put in the basic information about your product and make sure to put in all the details accurately. Scrolling down, you have more options to categorize. Then, you need to put in your description over here. On this section, you can also add images and videos, so upload or add image URLs. Scrolling down further, you can also add files to your listing. Then you have product identifiers. After that, the pricing section, so make sure to set the pricing correctly. You can set cost, MSRP, and sale price. You can also configure the tax configuration, and then you can put in a discount for bulk pricing. After that, you have more settings like product options, customizations, storefront, where you can put in your storefront details, and then you have custom fields where you can add custom field name and custom field value. After that, you have the fulfillment section. Here, you can set the purchasability from the options. And further down, we have SEO and sharing. You can put in page title, product URL, and meta description on this section. Then we have open graph sharing. And if you click on the save option on the bottom right, you will get to see all of these options to save it. Now, let's go over to product categories on the left panel. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. You can find all of your product categories here. You can also use the search bar if you want, and click on Add New on the top right to create new categories. Now, let's click on Customers from the left panel. After that, you'll be able to see this View Customers section. This is where you'll be able to view all of your customers. And if you click on Add on the left side, you'll be able to add new customers over here. Now, let's check out the storefront. So wait for this page to load up. And on this page, you'll be able to see your current theme. And if you click on Customize, you'll be able to customize your theme. So click on it and wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we're now in the page builder. Here, you can customize whichever part of the theme that you want. Now, let's go back to the previous page and then click on Home. After that, click on Apps from the left panel. From here, you can visit Bigcommerce's App Store by clicking on this icon. So, let's click on it. And as you can see, we're now in the App Store. If you scroll down, you will be able to see all of their apps. You can also use the search bar to search for specific apps, and also filter through the categories. This way, you can easily find any app that you want. As an example, I will search for dropshipping, and all the related apps will be displayed right away. And as you can see, we now have all the dropshipping apps available on Bigcommerce, and we can see they have all the big names. You can select any app that you want from here. As an example, I will go ahead and click on S-Pocket over here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and once you're here, you can click on Get This App. But since we're not logged in, it says we need to log in or sign up in order to install this app. So let's click on Login over here. After that, you'll be redirected to another page which will look something like this. And here, just click on Install in order to install the app. After that, you need to click on Confirm. And then you will see this message that says Installing. Once it's done, S-Pocket will launch just like this. So, you can click on Go to S-Pocket over here, and it will redirect you to the S-Pocket website. So once you're in the S-Pocket website, just go ahead and set up your account. After that, pay for your subscription plan on S-Pocket. Then, you can easily start your dropshipping venture on Bigcommerce using S-Pocket.